Ever seen a photographer's work and thought, I wish I could edit like that? With Aftershoot's marketplace, you actually can. Here's the problem with traditional presets. They apply the same settings to every image, but your photos aren't all the same. Different lighting, different scenes, different moments, and that's exactly where AI styles make the difference. AI styles don't just apply a look, they analyze each photo and adapt the edit based on lighting, subject, and environment. So even when you apply the same style across a full shoot, each image is individually adjusted. You get a consistent look without everything looking identical. To get started, create a new album and import your images. Then head to the Edit tab and open the Browse Pre-Built Profiles option. This is where you'll find a wide range of AI styles, from clean and natural edits to bold and creative looks. You can explore different styles based on the look you're going for, all while previewing them directly on your own images. When something catches your eye, click on it to preview. You can use compare profiles to see how different styles look side by side on your images. This makes it much easier to pick the right one for your shoot. Once you find a style you like, you can also use the adjust profile to fine tune it so it better fits your lighting and preferences. Then click start editing and Aftershoot will apply that style across your entire shoot, adapting each image as it goes. And here's the result. Each image is adjusted based on its own lighting and scene, but everything still feels cohesive. That's the difference between a preset and an AI style. And here's something even more powerful. Some of these styles are created by professional photographers, so you're not just getting a look, you're getting a workflow shaped by real-world editing experience. Marketplace AI styles are perfect when you want a new look without building it from scratch. They're great for experimenting with different styles or when you need fast, high-quality edits right away. If you've ever wanted to try a new editing style, this is the easiest way to do it. Explore the marketplace in Aftershoot and find a style that fits your work.